Yeah, get the
video.
I can do it.
He's pumping it up to what? 60?
It's almost, it's not quite yet.
I'm gonna plug my ears this time.
Yeah, you don't want to do that. Oh shit.
No! No!
That scared the crap out of me. Here, man,
I'm gonna drop this. My ears are still coming back though.
Yeah, if they've been pumping, you hold it all the way up there like before.
Yeah, you pump it.
Have it facing up. Have it facing up.
No, because then it's gonna, like, shrapnel's gonna fly all over the place.
I heard that. That was a lot. That was
Yeah, imagine you're being next
That's
to
like
me.
a gunshot.
Oh shiz.
Nah, it's probably
Here, you wanna take the video?
Yeah.
fireworks.
You guys might want to back up.
I'm up for noise. I'm staying with this.
Yeah, get a close up on it. Hope it doesn't shatter that screen.
What is that?
With the noise? That's air.
It's only at 50. Almost.
I'm moving that away from your face.
Move it away from your feet though.
Come on, Vito.
You got this.
I don't know if that
Yeah.
might be just a water mile too, so it might take a lot more to blow it up.
Oh, it's moving so much.
Come on, you got this. We need a fresh cap is what we need.
Are you using the same one?
Yeah. Almost there.
Sure.
Here, trade you. Trade.
I'm so afraid.
Get that away from your face.
This Gavin.
This is gonna be bad.
This Leon.
Hey, pay attention.
That's what's his face?
He's already past
Dayton. How to blow a water bottle?
It's not going over 60. Let it go. Just let it go. It's not going over 60. Oh, that one's not gonna pop.
We need the same water
We need to go
bottles that
again.
we need this cap.
We need a different cap because that one won't work. I don't think. My ears though. I still can't hear for crap.
Let's try it again.
I'll pump.